Hi, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color a fun playground with a slider and a swing. Are you ready? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin with the slider. Let's draw the ladder first. Great job! Now, let's draw the slider coming down from the ladder.
Wow!
Let's draw the steps of the ladder.
Cool!
Our slider looks fun! Next, let's draw the swing. We'll start by drawing the bar.
Awesome!
Now, let's add the swings hanging from the bar. Our playground drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look at our awesome playground! How nicely the kids are enjoying the playground! Now it's time to color! We will use rainbow colors to make our playground look vibrant and fun. Let's start with red color.
Wow!
Next, orange color.
Cool!
Now, yellow color.
Awesome!
Let's add some green color.
Wow!
Now, blue color. finally, purple color. Whoa! Our playground looks so colorful and fun. Great job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored playground with a slider and swing. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.